There you go. Hi, I'm Dr. Kathleen. I'm here at Procerus Skin Care in Ann Arbor, Michigan. And I want to talk to you about platelet-rich plasma and its many uses. Platelet-rich plasma, we draw your blood, and it's actually your own blood that's separated into this fancy tube. So your red blood cells are down at the bottom. On the top is serum, which contains your platelets that are activated in producing growth factors. These growth factors have incredible healing properties. We use it most commonly here for growing hair, for people who've had thinning hair or hair loss. But some other extremely popular services we use with the platelet-rich plasma is for rejuvenation of the skin. We use microneedling, and we use the platelet-rich plasma to rejuvenate the neck. I have many ladies who've done series of microneedling with platelet-rich plasma on the neck, and they are thrilled with the results. They are extremely happy that they didn't go to something much more aggressive or surgical, but use the microneedling with platelet-rich plasma. We do the same microneedling platelet-rich plasma for the face for beautiful rejuvenation. We also offer the vampire services. I don't know if you've heard of vampire face lift, vampire breast lift, now there's a vampire arm lift for the wing, so sort of that wing, bat wing that we talk about with the arm, for if you know anybody who has that loose or hanging skin on their arm. We also do the O shot and the P shot. You can look these up, but basically they're helping with sexual function. People who have diminished sensitivity, are not enjoying sexual gratification the way they were before. These rejuvenating growth factors in this tube that come from your blood, nothing added to it. You can check us out on our website, procerusskincare.com, and look at our platelet-rich plasma services. And you can find us here in Ann Arbor, Michigan.